Thank you, Jan, for the warm welcome. As you just heard, I'm replacing Torsten Heller from Greenbird, our CEO and co-founder. He's currently in Australia. We, as Greenbird, were nominated as one of the finalists in the Free Electrons startup competition. And of course, we're very excited about that and very proud of that. For those of you that are not yet familiar with Greenbird, we are a growth company, started in 2010. We now have 86 plus customers in Norway, in Scandinavia, as well as the Middle East. And now we're seeing more success and interest in international markets. Our Norwegian clients are operating about 80% of the metering points in Norway. And we are now 41 employees, including myself, that joined last week, made up of mostly of data scientists and engineers with domain expertise. So we built the platform, the MeterCloud platform, because we saw an opportunity in the market based on our history as system integrators. I'm talking about the 4Ds here, and it's changing utilities worldwide. It's changing the way we are doing business in the utilities. And we call it the Energy 4.0. It's about digitalization, deregulation, decarbonization, and decentralization. And it's quite important to our business because what does it mean? It means more and more local power generation. It means more local integrated services, and it means integrating assets that you don't own anymore. And who is going to do that? Will it be the retailer? Will it be the DSO or the distribution system operator? Or will it be the prosumer, like we heard earlier? Nobody really knows yet. So there's an urgency for utilities to do something. So as the role of the future distributed energy system is not clearly defined yet, utilities have to choose. They're either going to be a commodity or they're going to be a platformed digital utility. And that's across the entire value chain of the energy system. Commodity means utilities will pretty much do exactly what they've been doing in the past, and many of these utilities will do that. But a number of utilities have understood this, and I referred to the presentation from E.ON earlier. They have to change. They have to be completely digital. If you want to stay in business, then you have to think of your business as a platform. Because innovation is not going to come entirely from your own organization anymore. You have to build a platform where these third parties can connect to. You cannot deliver all the services yourself, so you have to be a platform utility. These platform digital utilities puts them in the driver's seat position for the ongoing energy transition. The platform digital utility also understands that data is the new electricity. So 100 years ago, we used to have a CEO, but that title was given a different title. It was the Chief Electricity Officer. And of course, that was an important position because without electricity, you'd be out of business. The same is happening now with data. Without data, you're going to be out of business. Because the platform digital utility also understands the value of dark data. Over 90% of the data within the utility is not being fully utilized. You can create a lot of value from this data, the dark data. You don't need more sensors, you don't need smart meters or additional sensors and equipment. You just need a smart way of using the data, and it can create substantial benefits. The platform digital utility also knows they need a lean startup mindset. What does that mean? You don't spend time on PowerPoints and lengthy reports. You just need a smart way to build a minimal viable product and validate those ideas. That's the lean startup mindset. This means, as a consequence, you need a platform that will solve the information management. It needs to be fast, easy, efficient, and cost-effective. This cannot cost too much, because then you're not going to do it, and as a consequence, you're going to be out of business. Meter Cloud is the platform for the digital utility. Meter Cloud handles the integration and the information management. It supports the lean startup methods and uses data in a smart way. Meter Cloud provides data orchestration as a service. Gartner calls this domain-specific integration platform as a service. They also call us a cool vendor, so what definition you want to use, I'll let you decide. So if you want to be a platform digital utility, we would like to work with you. I'm here to discuss opportunities with you. I'm very pleased to have any opportunities discussed during the next couple of days. But the message from me and for the utilities is this: jump forward or fall behind. Thank you very much.